Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making dashi because it defines miso soup's umami. Combine 4 cups water and a 4-6 kombu strip. Soak 20-30 minutes so glutamates dissolve. Once you heat, bring to just below 90 degrees and remove the kombu before it boils. This prevents bitterness. If using bonito flakes, add 1/2 cup, steep 1-2 minutes, then strain. Make sure to reserve your clear broth. It's the foundation, so taste for a gentle, savory base before adding other ingredients. Continue by introducing solids that cook quickly. Bring the strained dashi back to a gentle simmer and add cubed tofu and sliced green onion. Simmer 2-3 minutes to heat through without breaking the tofu. Rehydrate a small handful of wakame for 1-2 minutes and add right before miso. To preserve probiotics and flavor, scoop 2-3 tablespoons miso into a ladle. Mix with hot dashi until smooth, and then stir that paste back into the pot. Avoid boiling after miso is added. To finish, warm the soup 1-2 minutes. Do not boil after you add miso, because heat kills flavor and enzymes. Taste and adjust. Add up to 1 teaspoon soy sauce or another teaspoon miso if it needs more salt or a little citrus for brightness. If your soup tastes bitter or cloudy, stop heating, strain the solids, and start a fresh small batch of dashi. Bitterness usually means kombu was boiled too long. Serve hot and enjoy immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.